We intersect day one of the 2019 Dakar Rally, just south of Lima, after riding half of the length of Peru. We picked up the KLR 650 motorcycles in Arequipa in the south of Peru, with only one day to ride 1,000 kilometres north, but we're finally here.
I think Dad's bogged. Gonna go rescue him. We'll just sit there. By the way, yeah, that spectator line there. Whoa, Dakar. Around.
No problem. Hay que empujar, dice. Empujamos para allá. ¿Ya? Empuja primero.
Oh, this is murder in full gear. My goodness. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Up. Come on. Oh, you got it. There we go.
We have a place for you to stay if you go to Ecuador too.
Okay, yeah. Just sort of film.
We have like a suite on the workshop.
Okay. Yeah. His workshop? Yeah. Dad, tell me about the durability of your Adventure Spec supplied Climb Gore-Tex outer jacket.
I don't know if you call it funny, but Toby just pulled me up because it's fallen off the jacket.
And see that this strap is melted, but not the jacket. Hola.
So, we're just doing a little... Yeah.
Caliente.
Ground sheets.
I'll go look.
No, don't worry about
Oh, it's just as my stuff's coming loose too.
Good, he's our host waiting for us, and we just going to team Honda up the road. Tomorrow, action time. Things you learn along the way. I've just seen a couple of guys down the bottom that didn't ride up. Put bike covers on their bikes. I think that's a good idea. One, because it hides all the gear that you got, makes it harder to nick, and it's going to keep the sun off it.
You thought the shortest way was the best way, eh?
Sorry?
You thought the shortest way was the best way?
No, that's the way of life.
Yeah. Alright, go and catch up with them at the bivouac.
Nice. We're gonna get one. I'm gonna get it back. Do you know what it is?
Yeah,
Are they just Chinese or are they alright?
it's a
No.
rally, supposedly.
You can swing it straight.
Yeah.
33. Yeah.
Just need a new tube, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go camping out of town along the way. Get fucking dark. And getting.
So I've got there now. You put the old one in.
Yeah.
With the new patch.
Another beautiful morning, Toby. We're out at another campsite somewhere that Ian has sniffed out. What have we done, Toby? We've got some water, Gatorade, piece of cake.
Here having lunch with a bunch of our new mates that we've collected along the way, or they've collected us or something, and a bunch of dudes from Ecuador. One of them owns a bike shop, and you know, they've just offered to take us riding and put us up in that if we go to Ecuador for a ride. One of them also rents out individual bikes and stuff. Yeah, so might do that at some point. Probably not on this trip though. The group of guys that we started tagging along with yesterday, the Paddy and the Yank, and those two other guys from Ecuador, they've gone ahead. They're probably watching the Dakar now. These guys reckon they're not going to bother because they won't see anything there, so we probably won't even see any of the Dakar today, but you know, we'll try and see as much as we can tomorrow. And it's not just about seeing the Dakar, it's much about just our little trip. So yeah, working on tyre number 2 at the moment, getting a lot of practice in. Here's the tyre changing crew. Third puncture of the day. This one's on Ian's bike. He's getting a little mechanical assistance. If I check this out, he's just sitting on a pole under his hard case there. I think that's what he's saying. So we're going to get another tube while we're here, I do believe. Just buying another front tube now that we've used one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's fine.
I'm gonna get a photo of it. That little bastard.
Richardson in the sound again.
Thank you.
Nice.
An extra pair of hands. Yeah.
Gracias. Oh no, got it, thank you.